How to delete anonymous comments on Google Docs. So if you're getting the anonymous comments on your Google Docs, so maybe because of your share these documents to anyone with this link, I will show in this video tutorial. So if you're getting the anonymous comments, so how you can delete, how you can get right on it, so I will show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I got my Google Docs. Okay, so if you share this Google Docs like this, okay, if you make the anyone with these links, and you can, if you share this link to anyone, like if I share, you can see this link. Now I can open in incognito mode without login. Okay, so I can also make the comments. Okay, this is view only. So if you make it as a editor or commenter, just make the copy. Okay, so sometime you share the link with anyone with this link, and give the permission like editor or commenter, so people can simply comment on it. Like I can add the comment without login, it is like anonymous. If I add the comment, you can say the comment has been added. Okay, so when you come in your Google Docs as a owner, you can see this is a comment which I got from anonymous. So I can remove from here, or I can decline from here. Okay, or I can go to the comments and I can resolve it, so it will be gone. So if you don't want to, get the anonymous comments, then you can go to the share. Okay, and you can change the restricted from anyone with this restricted, and you can add the people from here. Just add the people as a viewer or commenter. Viewer means people can only view the documents. Commenter and editor means people can comment the documents, or editor means they can make changes. Okay, just so you have to add the people like this. So I have add two as a viewer, and this is my owner. So now you can copy the, as a restricted mode, copy the link and share with the others, so people can only view who are added here, and nobody can comments on it as a anonymous. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.